All right, you guys, here we are, St. Maarten, Friar's Beach. It was 25 bucks to get here from TV Little Bay, and 20 bucks for a 2 chairs. But I think someone said when I was here last time, it was P. Diddy's facility up there. It does look abandoned up there. Weeds are growing, so I guess that's P. Diddy's place, I guess. But you can see the seaweeds rolling in here in April. So this is out in September, when if you want to come here, hurricane season. No boats are coming in here until next week, but we've been before. Tomorrow we're gonna have the 4-wheeler, but we've been before. Weeds kind of come up, and then they try to get rid of it. You see, it's a smaller beach. See a lot of people over there snorkeling. The water's nice. It's wet, refreshing. But 20 bucks for 2 chairs. No ships are in town, so it's mainly just tourists that are here. So, anyways. Water's nice. Yep. Yeah, I know. We got a bar here. Oh, those houses way up there. Not too bad down here. But you can tell people are snorkeling. You get out into here. Kind of drops off. So nice small beach. Not like the bigger ones. You go horseback riding. A lot of beach whales, if you know what I'm talking about. So, the eye candy here is pretty good. Heck yeah. You can tell all the weeds and stuff. Look at all that. We were over at the nude beach, and last time we were here it was just all over the place. We'll go to Mahu Beach. That's where the planes come in. That's kind of a cool beach. When you watch the planes come in, you can't tell if she was trying to get out of there. It was like a drop off, and it's a bitch to get up. It's kind of a easy beach to hang out at. Maybe it was 35 bucks to get here. I can't remember what it was. These can be painful, stepping on one of these. That's why I have water shoes. Lucas Bay I'm going to go to as well. This thing is sticking out right here. That could be a poor choice. I think it hurt. That hurt, man. You got to. Water is nice. Got a cold beer. tell. The weeds aren't too bad down here. Not too bad. Not too bad. You know how that water is, man. Oh my goodness. Pretty popular beach for the cruisers, but Mahu is more of a. People are out there with a snorkeling crew, cruise around out there. Got rocks. Nice day to be on the beach. I guess that way up there, that's P. Diddy's place, I guess, up there on the hill, I guess. But didn't see any action. It was, weeds were growing in the roadway, and I don't know. The bluish green is so cool in the Caribbean. That could be painful right there, man. You don't see that thing right there. You should have a flag on that or something so you can see that's there. Antigua, they've got a beach called Runaway Beach. That's back in my archives. It's a cool little beach. So right now, like I said, it's just mainly tourists because there's no ships in port. This island's a great island for families because they got a lot of things you can do. Just traffic can be a bitch. But yeah, these weeds come in, they come in hot and heavy. And then they try to bury it. So it's like, oh my goodness. You gotta have a t-shirt on because you're out there in the water. The water makes it even worse on you. You get sunburned. So. I'm gonna go take a swim. But yeah, they're probably out on a thing out there. I'll get on the boats and they come cruising out here. We go snorkeling. So I'll take the camera out, see how it looks in the water. So, all right, guys. From one end to the next. 9 yards. Friars Blee, St. Maarten. You can tell. Quaint, but nice. I should climb up over the wall and go up there and see what it looks like, but unless I'll get caught. So, anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the walk. All right, we'll see you the next one. Friars Bay, baby, 2025.